ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், செப்டம்பர் 6th கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் குவிஸ் என்னென்னு பார்த்துடலாம். டெஸ்ட்டை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிடுவோம். Which of the following are reasonable restrictions on freedom of speech and expressions? ஸோ என்னென்ன ஆப்ஷனில் கொடுக்கல. ஸோ இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிவிடுவோம். Who has been recently awarded the Kirti Chakra? Abdul Rashid Kalas, Abhijit Singh, Colonel Santosh Babu or Havildar Palani? Answer is Abdul Rashid Kalas. The Concourse missile test equipment launched recently has been developed by which of the following organizations? DRDO, Bharat Earth Movers Limited, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited. Answer is Bharat Dynamics Limited. Ethanol blended program was launched in line with National Biofuels Policy in 2012, 2015, 2017 or 2018. Answer is 2018. Bodh project recently seen in news. It belongs to which of the following state? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh or Odisha? Answer is Gujarat. Which of the following is recently Malaysian government announced 10 times more infectious than coronavirus? D164G, D614G, D416G or D146G? Answer is D614G. India Health Care Week is being observed from August 17 to 21, 15 to 21, 18 to 22 or 18 to 24. Answer is 17 to 21. According to recent Swachh Sarvekshan, which of the following city for the fourth consecutive time bagged the cleanest city in the country? Indore, Varanasi, Surat or Navi Mumbai? Answer is Indore. Which of the following IIT developed the e-classroom software called Deekshak? IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Ropar or IIT Kharagpur? Answer is IIT Kharagpur. Salal Dam is recently seen in the news, which is built over the river Indus, Jhelum, Ravi or Chenab? Answer is Chenab. Harriet Path mobile application was launched by ISRO, DRDO, IISc or NHAI? Answer is NHAI. What is the name of Chandrayaan-2 rover? Vikrant, Vikram, Pragyan, Kalam? Answer is Pragyan. Who heads the task force has recommended to link sugarcane price to super rates? Ramesh Chand, Ramachandra Kuga, Narasimhan, Abhijit Singh? Answer is Ramesh Chand. The first edition of Swachh Sarvekshan was undertaken in 2014, 2015, 2016 or 2017? Answer is 2016. Maternity Benefit Amendment Act of 2017 has increased the durations of paid maternity leave to working mothers from dash weeks to dash weeks. 12 weeks to 24 weeks, 2 weeks to 26 weeks, 12 weeks to 36 weeks, 12 weeks to 18 weeks. Answer is 12 weeks to 26 weeks. Actually question options வந்து 2 weeks to 20 weeks ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It should be 12 weeks to 26 weeks. Which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's rights to marry the persons of one's choice? Article 19, Article 21, Article 25 or Article 29? Answer is Article 21. Choose the correct statements regarding the shell companies. 1. No physical existence at the given address. So option 1 வந்து correct. No business activity of its own. So ஸோ ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷனுமே கரெக்டு பெர்டைனிங் டு செல் கம்பெனிஸ். ஸோ ஆன்சர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா போத். Which of the following is the second Indian zoo to have African hunting cheetahs? Vandalore Zoo, Darjeeling Zoo, Mysore Zoo or Indira Gandhi Zoo? Answer is Mysore Zoo. What is the correct expansion of NRA recently that has been approved by the cabinet? New Recruitment Agency, National Recruitment Authority, National Recruitment Agency or New Recruitment Authority? Answer is National Recruitment Agency. Death Valley is recently seen in news is located in which of the following country? USA, Brazil, France or Japan? Answer is USA, that is in California. So that's all friends. இன்னைக்கான குவிஸ் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கிற ஃபேஸ்புக் குரூப், வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் எல்லாமே ஜாயின் பண்ணிடுங்க. சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. மீண்டும் நாளை மேலும் ஒரு 20 கொஸ்டின்ஸோடு சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.